Let's take a look at a watercolor pencil technique using just the dried pencil. We won't be adding any water. My subject is a cherry tomato for all of these techniques, and you can see that it's only about an inch, inch and a quarter in diameter. I often like to start off drawing an outline of the overall shape of my subject. I'll add the color next. I try to follow the contours of my subject. I leave some space, plenty of white space for that highlight. And you can see as I add more color, I can deepen it and control the lightness and darkness. Because our paper has a light tooth, you're probably going to see some of those textury spaces in between the color dots. This is because if you could see a cross section of our paper, it would look as though it has hills and valleys. And of course, the more textured the paper, the bigger the hills and valleys will be. So as I move the pencil across the surface of the paper, it's going to naturally deposit color on top of the hills. If I press harder, I will be smooshing that paper down and actually filling in some of the valleys. We usually will see some kind of texture though, so just be prepared for that. Because watercolor pencil has a soft lead and it's somewhat thick, I like to use a real sharp point for details. Now I'm choosing a violet to just add a little extra dimension to those dark shadowy parts of the cherry tomato. Just a little bit, following the contours and paying attention to where it actually looks dark to me. That's it. Thanks for watching.